Living in a small apartment doesn't mean you have to live in chaos. The secret to a cozy home isn't about throwing all your stuff away, it's about discovering hidden spaces you never even knew existed. Today, I'm going to prove that with just a few pieces of wood, a little creativity, and without tearing down a single wall, you can turn the frustration of a cramped room into pure visual satisfaction. Forget about expensive, bulky furniture that won't even fit in your living room. Get ready for 15 genius woodworking hacks that will practically double your apartment's space and bring peace back to your daily routine. Just watch what happens when we make every single inch count. The tension-mounted slat room divider. Picture living in a studio apartment where your bed and living room blend together, leaving you with zero privacy. Suddenly, with the soft click of wood snapping into place, an elegant slatted wall appears out of nowhere without drilling a single hole in the ceiling. Natural light filters through the gaps, giving the space room to breathe, clear separation, and a magazine cover aesthetic. It brings dignity and comfort back to renters, carving out a real bedroom where there used to be just a wide-open space. The ultra-thin sofa console table. You know that dark, useless gap gathering dust behind your couch? It vanishes when a sleek, elegant piece of hardwood slides in to fill the space perfectly. Ugly charging cables are completely hidden out of sight. Now, you have the perfect spot to rest a steaming mug of tea, lean a framed print, and light a candle at night. It's visual proof that in a tiny apartment, not a single inch needs to go to waste. The flexible sofa arm tray. Small living rooms simply can't handle massive coffee tables, and having nowhere to set your glass of wine on a Friday night is incredibly frustrating. The solution comes from perfectly aligned wood slats that bend almost like soft fabric. Draped over the arm of your couch, they hug it tightly, creating a flat, sturdy surface. It's the ultimate comfort, taking up absolutely zero floor space in your living room. The lift-top coffee table. For anyone who works, eats, and practically lives on their couch, your posture usually ends up paying the price. The magic happens when the top of a beautiful wooden coffee table smoothly lifts up toward you, revealing a spacious pro-print secret compartment to stash throw blankets, books, and remotes. It's where the end of clutter meets the beginning of a cozy movie night or a perfectly comfortable WFH setup. The wall art Murphy desk. Working and sleeping in the same bedroom can build up a quiet kind of anxiety. Sweet relief comes at the end of the day. The clock strikes 6 p.m., you fold up your wooden desktop, and with a soft click, it transforms into a gorgeous piece of framed wall art. Your room goes back to being an exclusive sanctuary for Risa. Breathtaking visual transformation that finally separates your work life from your personal life. If you loved these ideas, there is so much more waiting for you. Grab my ebook right now. It features 50 exclusive projects and over 400 detailed pages to help you maximize every single space in your home. The link is waiting for you right down in the pinned comment. The wooden pegboard wall, a blank, boring white wall, suddenly comes to life with purpose. The sound of wooden pegs snapping into perfectly symmetrical holes is pure visual therapy. You feel an immense sense of peace watching desk clutter move up onto the wall. Neatly arranged on small shelves that you can rearrange every single day like an elegant, incredibly satisfying organization puzzle. The monitor stand with hidden storage. A typical workspace is usually a chaotic mess of cables, papers, and peripherals. But then, an incredibly smooth, minimalist wooden monitor stand enters the scene. With a gentle push of a finger, your keyboard and mouse slide right underneath the wood, disappearing completely. The visual relief of seeing your desk instantly clear and empty is just downright addictive. The 6-inch slide-out pantry, that dark, tight gap right next to your fridge, is the ultimate headache in any small kitchen. But when a tall, ultra-slim wooden rack loaded with colorful spices and perfectly aligned jars glides out smoothly, it feels like actual magic. It's absurdly satisfying to see such a common problem solved so brilliantly. Creating an entire pantry where there used to be nothing but dust bunnies. The over-the-sink cutting board. Trying to chop veggies on a tiny countertop is always a stressful challenge. Everything changes when a solid wood cutting board, featuring stunning grain and a flawless finish, is placed right over your kitchen sink. Your usable prep space literally doubles in size right before your eyes, bringing an instant sense of peace to your cooking routine. The over-the Rustic shelf look up and transform empty space into pure utility and beauty. Installing a warm, rustic wooden shelf right above your bathroom door completely shifts the energy of the room. Styled with rolled-up white towels and a cascading trailing plant, that tiny apartment bathroom instantly gains the aura of a relaxing high-end spa. Before we jump into the next idea, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming genius woodworking projects. Did you click it? Awesome! Let's dive right back in. The invisible underbed storage drawers. The space under your bed is usually where clutter goes to be forgotten. Swapping out those ugly plastic bins for custom-built wooden drawers on smooth, silent casters feels like taking a deep breath. The natural wood texture brings warmth to the room, and the flawless organization delivers the exact kind of calm you need for a good night's sleep. The magnetic floating key holder. You come home exhausted, toss your keys toward the wall, and hear a satisfying click. They magically stick to an elegant block of hardwood floating in your entryway with absolutely zero visible hooks. It's the perfect blend of minimalist design and a clever, invisible magnetic trick that will have literally every single guest asking how you pulled it off. The L-shaped corner floating shelves. Wall corners are usually cold, dead zones that just go unused. Seeing a floating wooden shelf wrap around the wall, almost like it's hugging the corner of the room, brings a massive sense of coziness and flow. When styled with classic books and trailing plants, these pieces transform the most ignored spot in your home into the absolute most charming corner of your apartment. The ultra-slim tilt-out shoe cabinet, tripping over a pile of shoes the second you walk through the door, instantly kills your vibe. At first glance, this just looks like a sleek, chic wooden panel in your narrow hallway. But when the drawer smoothly tilts forward to reveal dozens of shoes secretly stored upright, that overwhelming sense of order, cleanliness, and smart design completely steals the show. The tension-mounted window plant shelves. Living in an apartment without a balcony often means missing out on nature and sunlight. Building a delicate wooden frame that fits snugly into your window using tension is pure visual poetry. The real magic happens when the golden hour sun filters through the leaves of your suspended plants, creating your very own sanctuary of light and greenery right in the middle of the concrete jungle. With the right wood and a little creativity, no apartment is ever too small. If these 15 ideas inspired you, don't forget to grab your copy of the ebook featuring all 50 complete projects right down in the pinned comment. Make sure to drop a like on this video, hit that subscribe button, and click on the video popping up on your screen right now for even more genius solutions. I'll see you over there.